the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
Good morning. Happy Monday na ba ngayon? Yes, today is December 30. Dito kayo ni Sak natulog sa bahay and tumawag na si Kuya. Sabi niya nag-breakfast na raw sila ni Holly sa shed. Kasi diba si Holly doon din natulog sa shed, hindi sa caravan, doon sa swag ni Saki Boy. And magro-ride daw sila ng bike. So, si Kuya ang nagbabantay kay Holly. And also, today, maglalaba ako ng yung aming couch. Lalaban ko yung cover sa couch. Kasi ginagawa ko naman yan twice a year. So, ngayon laban ko siya kasi mainit naman mamaya. And, si Sak. Naman si Sak kung nasaan. Kaya yan sumama sa akin. Para dito din. Sa kanyang. Ayan siya, oh. Gamer na nasa laptop pa.
I can't get into a game. Look.
Oh,
Been 11 minutes.
Ayan siya. Mamaya, pag uwi ni Jan, pag naligo si Jan, aray ko. Yung sinasabi ko, mamaya sasama siya sa daddy niya pag uwi ni Jan. That's empty na. Put it in the bin. Yeah. After fishing ni Jan, kasi umuwi yan dito maliligo. Tapos sasama daw siya mamaya. Bumili ako nito kahapon. Siguro nakalima ako, guys. As in, sobrang sarap niya. Sa Goldilocks, hindi ako nakakaubos ng dalawa. But dito, makakaubos kayo ng marami. Kasi eto din, yung pinipig, alam mo yung crunch niya, nakaka-addict din. Kaya, yan. Sarap. Meron akong isang nahubaran. Unahin ko muna eto, tapos next yung upuan. Yung pillow muna. Ayan, nahubaran natin yung mga pillows or yung cushion. So, unahin natin itong laban. Pati yung, ayan, mga cushion na maliliit. And eto na. Dito rin. Ayan, nandito rin sila. Ha?
I'm broadcasting.
Broadcasting what? Ayan. Eto, hubaran ko rin to. What?
On what?
Live where? Live where? Okay.
Because it supports 4K.
Alright. So, hubaran ko rin to. Lalabahan ko. Tapos, meron akong nabili. Matagal na sa eBay ata. Tingnan mo to. Hoy! Ano? Meron akong nabiling bagong cover. Matagal ko na yung nabili. Ngayon ko ilalagay. Iba na siyang kulay, guys. Hindi na siya black and white. Sa eBay ko yata yung nabili or sa Timo or Shein. Nakalimutan ko na kasi naka-plastic na lang yun. Eto. Ayan. Tagal na nito. Ngayon ko lang siya ilalagay. Sama natin to. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung itsura ng ating chairs. Napunasan ko na yung table. So, ngayon bihisan na natin sila. Tapos ko nang damitan yung mga upuan. And maglalagay ako ng tablecloth. Every year yung nilalagay ko ay yung red. But this time, iba naman yung para siyang gray na may touch na white and dirty white or brown. So, yun siguro ilalagay ko dito. Yung nilalagay ko sa labas na tablecloth, yun ang ilalagay ko this year. So, yan yung itsura niya. And yung kulay niya is parang may pagka light yellow, mustard, may pagka-gray. Yan yung kulay ng ating cover dito. Meron na tayo yung black. Dalawang black na yung nabili kong set. So, this time, nag-ibang kulay naman ako. So, kunin ko lang yung cloth dito. Talagay ko na yung tablecloth. Ayan yung kanyang kulay. And, hindi siya ganun ka, haba. Sakto lang. Kasi hindi yan para dito. Sa labas kasi itong tablecloth na to. Pero, yan yung gagamitin ko dito ngayon. So, ganyan ang itsura niya. May stripe na gray. Tapos, dirty white nga pala. Ayan. And linen yung cloth niya. So, yeah. Yan ilagay natin this year. Lagi na lang kasi yung red. So, this time, may iba naman. And, ayan na yung fruits. Hindi pa siya kompleto. Kasi nga, di ba, yung cheese apples kahapon, sarado. And itong banana, hindi naman siya bilog. Pero ilalagay pa rin natin yan dyan. Kasi si Jan, gustong-gusto niya ang banana. Tsaka si Holly, si Kuya. Actually, silang lahat. Ako lang ang hindi. But, yeah. So, baka pumunta ako ng town bukas. Kasi gusto ko rin bumili ng pork belly. Kasi wala din na pork belly kahapon. And yung ibang fruits na kulang dito. But, yeah. So far, yan yung ating dining table. Ngayon niya lang nakita.
I'm having this after. Huh?
Yeah.
I'm close. When did you get this?
Oh, long time, but I just put it today. Isasampay niya na yung una kong nilaban, yung mga
Wait, where are you
sa
going to put the
cushion.
fruits when we're eating?
Hmm?
Where are you going to put that when we're eating?
What? The fruits?
Yeah.
There. That's our fruit tray now.
How are we meant to eat?
What do you, how are you gonna eat?
The thing's in the way.
What way?
Fruits.
Oh no, I'm gonna move it here. Sabi niya, paano daw kayo kakain yung fruits daw nasa center? Sabi ko, ilalagay ko yan dito sa kung saan siya before. Mag-raspberries na lang siya instead yung passion fruit. Wash it properly, I said. Natanggal ko na rin yung cover ng couch. Dito na sila. Yan na yung next kong lalabhan.
There you go.
There's more here. And here, iba-vacuum ko siya. Pinapakuha ko sa kanya yung mga wrappers na mga lollies nila yan. Ayan yung mga beads ni Holly. And I think this is Mentos.
Go there.
That one,
What?
beads.
What beads?
I can see beads from here. All the little round.
That's popcorn.
Oh, get it.
You suck it off.
Naload ko na pala yung cover sa couch. Ito yun na pala yung mga pang-cover natin sa couch. And ito, umalis na kasamang daddy niya. And pagbalik nila, ayan yung dala nila. What's this, Zachary?
JBL headset.
And that one, what's that one?
Oh, Acer 27-inch
What?
Nitro set. I don't know.
Monitor? You really think you're a gamer now? No? So that's your birthday, no, birthday gift.
Christmas present for next year.
No, gift for birthday. Umalis lang sila, sabi may pupuntahan. Tapos pagbalik, ayan na. And ako, nakuskus ko na rin yung mga windows. Yun. Kaya nandito yan. Hindi pa natin nakikita sila, kuya. And binilan nila si Zach holder.
Hold on to it.
Have I got the HDMI on that?
Huh?
Got the HDMI on that? See that? Look at that.
Yeah.
Sila na talaga ang bumili habang ako dito ay busy magkuskus. Itong isa nag-shopping na naman. What's wrong with your TV? It's alright, that one.
18 inch.
Curve.
Curve. And may in-order din siyang keyboard. Where's your keyboard, Zach?
Coming.
Siya nagsabing i-unbox niya daw. I-vlog ko raw siya habang nag-unboxing sila. Feeling gamer na talaga.
Got pure this up, the satisfying bit.
Hang on. Put that down again, please. There's your HDMIs and all that.
Yeah, I know. Hang on, flip it. No, you gotta flip it. Gotta take the stickers off.
Oh. Oh, yeah, right.
It's big, isn't it?
Huh?
What are you gonna do? What?
Put this on.
Oh, yeah.
My stand. Why you buy another headset, Zach?
broke mine. Oh yes, it's metal, not plastic.
Where's that?
Kinain ko pala yung tira. May tira akong 3 chicken wings. Kinain ko na.
So I meant to screw on, is it?
Yeah, it is. Should be
Oh,
screws.
it's right. Is that it?
What do we know?
That's it. Look how small this is.
Ayun, tinanggal niya na yung...
Compared to that.
But that was, Brad.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
No, it was brand new.
Auntie Mel gave you that
Yeah, it was
from
in a
Brad.
box though.
But that was from Brad before.
Oh, so it could have been like 12 years old.
I don't know. Kay Brad pa daw yan.
Yeah, this was from Brad.
Yeah, I know. That's tape gone. That's
What we gonna do with that one now?
No.
No. Anong gagawin
We've got to do
dito?
something with it. Let's
What?
give it to someone.
To who?
Give it to Todd, put it in his room.
Bigay daw kay Taj. Si Taj mas maganda pang gaming room ni Taj. Kasi ang nakuha ni Taj nung Christmas, kay Father Christmas is gaming chair. Right, Zach?
Yeah, you got to get massage one too.
With massage.
Here's massage. Gaming chair.
Nilalagay na nila yung stand.
It looks like I already opened it, but it's alright.
It's dark. I cannot see it. So,
Is it?
yeah. Wow, white.
Yeah. Ready?
Where? No, I don't need it.
No,
You.
it feels nice. Oh no,
Yeah.
hang on. Yeah, here it is. And then I've got. Should I have it like that? Or like
What's that one? Ah, so you can talk.
Yeah. I was like, I
right.
don't.
Where's that other thing?
Oh, here.
I wonder if that goes in there.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one a bit lower?
Yep. Okay.
There's a tag up here.
Yeah. What that do?
Start scratch the screen.
Ready?
Careful. Slowly. Go down there.
And that's that one. Ready?
That's all I got. Don't keep pulling. Gotta make sure you got it all slowly. And just grab it down lower.
Good.
That's it, Jack.
Yeah, that's all good.
Huh? Alright, go in there.
Yeah.
Got all these cords. What's that one?
And this is spare. Put it down here, I'll pick it up. Not there, you've got to move it up, back a bit.
Which one?
Back a little bit.
No, so you want it about there.
Wow. So,
Oh,
Is
okay.
that how you want it? Where's that go?
ang cute nila.
Where do we put this? Oh, in this. I'm a bit stupid. No, it's not. Wait. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
So you take this one out and put that one in there. No, the
I just.
what?
It's HDMI 2.
So you got to put in the other one.
No, hang on. What does it say? HDMI?
See here. Is that one?
How do you do the colour stuff?
See, brighter, darker.
It's JBL.
Wow. Fancy.
Another.
You're supposed to use your money but daddy stop you. Siya dapat daw ang bibili. Kasi may pera.
That looks so black and
I know. The color. Hindi niya pamano yung color ng kanyang monitor.
What was it?
Good. Where is it?
Oh, what do I press? Oh, I need a screen video. Wow, I've got a VRR now. Oh, it doesn't done that. Oh, I haven't checked yet.
That's good. So, okay na. Satisfied na siya sa color ng kanyang monitor. Okay, can you hang my clothes now?
Hang the clothes? I need to go on the game and test it out, man.
May nilaban ulit ako.
No, I want it to be like that, bro.
Ayan. Dinadamitan na natin ulit yung mga cushions. And next yung couch. Ito yung pinakamatrabaho. Ayaw kong gawin. Pero kailangan. Yung pagpasok ng mga foam, medyo mahirap. Lalo na yung pa-L. Yeah. Good luck. Sabi ko, don't make a mess. Ayun na pala guys. Tapos ko nang i-cover yung ating couch. And nakaligo na rin ako and kumakain siya ng bananas. And eto na lang yung lalagyan ko ng case. But yeah, ayan na yung couch. Yung couch natin, super linis. Walang bahid ng mga watermark. Yung stain ba ng mga kung anong kinakain nila. Ayan. And nakaligo na rin ako. And inano ko ulit siya. Yung parang madalian na kulot. Ayan, wala lang. Gusto ko lang. And si Sak, ihahatid ko siya sa caravan kasi gusto niya nang pumunta ng caravan. And ako, babalik kasi nga may sinampay pa ako. And meron pa akong nilalaban na mga towels. So yun ang aking gagawin naman mamaya-maya pag pakatid ko kay Sak. And miss ko si Holly at saka si Kuya. Mag-hi tayo doon. But yeah, ang dami ko nagawa today. Ano na, Sak? You're rushing me to hurry up and now look at you. Oh, may papakita niya naman yung kanyang gaming room. Kuno. Hoy, look at that. What? Look at this. What's this? You need what? And can you please clean up there? All the plastics.
Okay, if you put this in there, I'll do all that.
Finish that banana.
It is.
It's not. Alright. Clean up all.
I will, I just need a...
And meron pa doon na
Can I take a
sinam...
photo and show TJ?
No, and Daddy said no.
Why not?
I don't know.
No,
Daddy
we
said...
are.
Ayun, may sinampay pa doon na mga puti. Tapos, next yung towels. So, ayaw pa ni Sak umalis. So, hintayin na lang namin yung towels na matapos para masampay. And, ayan. Nadamitan ko na rin yung malilit nating cushions yan. And also, si Holly pala, gusto niya magpalagay ng press-on nails. So, we'll see kung malagay ko na yung press-on nails niya. But, yeah. Nanood na muna ako nitong aking Chinese drama. Ito yung double. Ang haba lang ng episodes. Nasa 40 something or 36. Nakalimutan ko kasi sobrang haba.
Guys, we're going to the shed now. And my mum's driving, say hi.
Okay.
And for tea, we're having chicken burgers. And, yeah,
And Sak hang the
clothes.
towels.
Towels and clothes. And, yeah.
Everything.
And everything, yeah. And my mum's gonna stay home tonight and clean. So
Clean, I already cleaned.
oh, cool. fold clothes and that.
Yeah, fold again.
Yeah.
Never ending folding. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, guys. Bye.
Baba!
Holly.
Ang sexy naman ni Holly. Hi!
Can you watch me?
Be careful, Holly.
Are you staying here tonight?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Are you?
No.
Hey, where's your swag? Oh.
Did you set up the swag already? Binilang siya ng bagong swag ni daddy niya, yung mas malaki. What you been doing?
I was just lying in it and I came here with this one.
Where's Sophie here?
Yeah, over there. She's on the
Hindi natin makita. Si Holly, ayan. Wow. Feeling one of the boys talaga siya. Oh,
I bent that guy's handlebars bad.
oh my God.
That Jake, the dude, he got angry at me and started chasing me.
Ah.
Cause I bent his
Yan ang mga ginagawa ng mga bata. Diyos ko, Holly, wag mo yung gawin.
Oi, Riley! Is that the guy that I bent his handlebars? Is that the guy who I bent his handlebars? Yeah, I told you.
What did you do?
I bent his handlebars.
Why?
He said
Accidentally or intentionally?
he said I can do it. He said you can throw it off the spine, so I did, and then it landed like that, and it just bent.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
It was rusted.
Alright. They're going back to the shed now. Ang cute. Paunahin natin sila. See you, Baba! Wala nang laman, guys, yung monster na noodle. Snack. Wala na. Ayan yung shapes. Ang dami ko. Labahan na naman to. Ay nako, di na matapos ang ating labahan. Lagay ko muna itong mga snacks nila. So, ayan pa yung mga chips. And meron pa isang Oreo. Madami pa yung chips. Dalawa na lang pala. Dalawang Oreo. Lagay natin dito yung jam cheese. Sila kuya pa uwi na yun eh. Yung kanilang chips. Lagay ko na lang din dito. Isahan na lang. Okay. Meron si Holly dito na mermaid corn, Zuro, rainbow corns. Ewan ko kung gagamitin niyo yan. Uminom na naman si Sak ng Prime.
I have to say.
Huh?
I have to say.
Yeah, we have a window here, right? Yeah. Hindi to labahan. Tinanggal lang ni Holly. Ah. Ito yung kanyang mga dalayata. Huh?
I'm so TJ.
Why you spray that again?
So I haven't sprayed it yesterday. When did you order this?
Long time. From Timo. Yan yung ano guys, yung order ko sa Timo. What?
Stuff Timu.
Why?
Fake. Cheap.
Yeah.
Fake.
You like cheap, right?
I know, but
What?
it's fake.
I know they're fake.
It's fake. It doesn't work.
But you like cheap. Cheap stuff. So Timo is for you, Zach.
Timu and they're fake and they'll break.
Easy. Oh, tingnan nyo to. Balik dito kay Holly. Tanggalin ko na to. Tinanggal yun yung mga ano yung damit. Ah, dito na sila. Bigay na lang to sa ibang girls. Bitin na yata to sa kanya. Madami akong biniling jeans kay Holly. Kaso si Jan, ayaw niya masyadong nag-skinny jeans si Holly kasi mainit daw. Tapos hindi komportable. Oh, ang cute. Para kay Indy. Ang cute. Okay, ito kasya pa to sa kanya. Bakit tinanggal niya na? Is that your last prime? You have another one? Huh? You have one more? Oh, shorts from Zara. Disney. That's empty now. That's empty.
Where are they?
No, it's gone.
No, they're not gone.
Oh, I don't know. I saw it here empty. With...
Have you ate all these? Oh, have you ate all these?
No, I didn't have any.
Oh, I ate it then. It's not there. No, it's not because I just refilled all the
Hey guys.
shake.
Cupped up. I'm so red.
What you been doing, Holly?
Just riding on the skate park.
So you took this out from the cabinet.
Yeah, and
This one still fit you.
oh yeah, I will eat all the clothes that don't fit me. I'll give.
Yeah,
To
this
someone.
one to someone. Yeah.
You did eat them.
You ate them,
I
Baba?
only ate like 3.
Yeah, 3. We
Yes.
had 3? You had 3? You had 3 of them.
Baba?
And Chris.
No, I
didn't.
didn't. Maddie and
Yeah,
Sophie
two.
too.
This one will stay here, okay? It's gone.
How many's a pack?
8.
Oh, see?
You guys, you didn't even know there was this stuff.
No,
that's
that's
not-
gross. I
But
tried it.
don't eat that
I
one.
tried it. It tastes like pepper and salt.
Yeah. So what you been doing while mommy is in the house? Riding?
Yeah, riding.
Just been riding?
Sophie went to the man to get her nails done
Okay.
and to get her SIM card.
Oh,
And Maddie went home.
Mardy. Oh, umalis na si Mardy.
But she's coming back tomorrow.
Oh, she's coming back tomorrow. This one, we'll put it here. Para may stock pa kayo.
When are you putting my nails on?
We'll do it today.
Yay!
Can you get us,
Mommy, I think you want to clean my nails.
can you wash your hands and get the, what you call this?
Glue.
Glue. And put this in the bin now.
Oh, yeah.
And do you need this?
That's like the bathtub, this.
Yeah, who's that one?
I think that's Dane.
Dino? Oh,
I think that's Nara's car.
okay.
This is for like the bath.
So, yeah, do you need it or
And
not?
this is like,
Just put in the bin?
yeah.
Okay.
But that one can be for the bath.
For your bath.
Because it's like a bath.
Maybe you're gonna have allergy, Baba. Alright, gawin ko yung nails niya. I-open natin to. Maliit lang naman to. From Timo. Andito ata yung nails ni Honey. Pero meron siyang dala, yung bigay sa kanya Auntie Mel. Ayan, ang cute. Ito yung kay Holly. My heart. Ayan. Cute. Oh, halos kay Holly or akin?
Mom, where is it?
What? It's in the box. Ayan. Ang cute. So, ito akin. Ay, parang mag-red ako. Wow. Mag-red. Ayan yung Sanrio. Hello Kitty. Ayan. Wag mo natin. And, meron ako dito. Puro nails na naman. Ito kay Holly to. It's in the blue! Yeah. Ayan, Sanrio.
And this?
Yeah. Can you wash your hands properly, please? And, ayan, may blue. Sa kanya. So, ito yung
I
hinahanap
gotta go
ko.
toilet anyway.
Okay. So, wash your hands properly, please.
I found this and I just bring it.
Yeah, okay. And more for Holly. Ang cute. Oh, Melody. Yeah. Ayan, another for Holly. So, halos kay Holly pala itong in-order ko. Ayan, more Holly. Ang cute! Sino to? Sino nga to? Ayan. And eto akin. Tingnan nyo. May M&M's. Ang cute. And eto, in-orderan ko siya yung mga stickers. Mga stickers lang sa nails. Sanrio din. Ayan, oh. And more for Holly. So, halos kay Holly pala to. Oh, halos kay Holly, girl. Yung akin red lang. Eto, akin yata. Oh, ayan, another Sanrio. Ang gaganda. Ito kay Holly pa din. Then, ito akin. And more akin. Mas marami kayo. Tapos, ito yung sticker sa nails. So, yan. So, kapili natin si Holly kung anong gusto niya. Nahugas lang siya ng kamay. Hindi ko na-feel nung reaction niya nung nakita niya yung mga nails. Nahugas?
These all mine.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. And ayan yung nails niya. Malinis na yan. So which one you want?
Let's see. They're yours though.
Yeah, that's mine. So what do you want?
Hello Kitty. That I also have the other nails too.
Yun ang from Auntie Mel.
Yeah. This is from Christmas, but the caravan kid moving.
So which one you want? You want this?
I'm not sure. I'm still.
Hindi na siya sure.
They're cute. Look.
Yeah, they're all cute. Okay, papiliin ko muna siya. Kung anong gusto niyang nails na ipapalagay.
These nails are so cute. See, I told you my nails are so cute. Let's see. This is Chromeo.
Huh? Who's that?
Chromeo.
Chromeo. But it's at Sanrio, right?
Hello Kitty.
Yeah, which one? Choose which one you want me to put.
I think I want. Look at them. I'm choosing the. Wait, what is under them? I'm choosing the.
Dadalhin ko yun sa bahay, yung basket na yun.
I'm
Ay, yung
deciding which one I should choose.
Blue.
Yeah.
Who's this one?
That's cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
Which one?
I don't know.
They're both cute, see?
Yeah, ayan si cinnamon roll. And this is parang siyang si Sunny Day nakalagay. But they're all big. I don't know it's gonna fit.
Alright guys, so Mom, this is how I will choose. So you're gonna mix them up and I'll close my eyes and I'll pick whatever one.
Alright.
Tell me when you're ready to. Wait, are these mine too?
You don't have to look up because there's a photos. Okay, pick now. What's that? The dog?
Yeah.
So this one daw. Alright. Lagyan ko muna siya nito.
Mine?
I think so.
Can I swap?
It's up to you. So nag-change na naman siya. You want this?
Yeah.
Alright. Ito daw. May
They have
pada.
like a white tip.
Yeah. Tapos may diamonds. Alright.
Alright guys, so Mom, this is how I will choose. So you're gonna mix them up and I'll close my eyes and I'll pick whatever one.
Alright.
Tell me when you're ready to. Wait, are these mine too?
You don't have to look up because there's a photos. Okay. Pick now. What's that? The dog?
Yeah.
So this one daw. Alright. Lagyan ko muna siya nito.
Mine?
I think so.
Can I swap?
It's up to you. So, nag-change na naman siya. You want this?
Yeah.
Alright. Eto daw. May
It's like they
pada...
have like a white tip.
Yeah. Tapos may diamonds. Alright.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.